What are adverbs? Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They tell us how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Examples: quickly, slowly, happily, sadly, always, never, here, there, very, extremely. How to use adverbs in IELTS speaking. Enhance your descriptions. Add detail. Instead of saying, I like to travel, say I really enjoy traveling or I travel frequently. Show your feelings. Use adverbs to express your emotions. I was extremely disappointed when I missed the flight. The city was incredibly beautiful. Make your speech more dynamic. Vary your pace. Use adverbs like slowly, quickly, or gradually to show changes or transitions in your story. Highlight emphasis. Use adverbs like definitely, absolutely, or clearly to add emphasis to your opinions. Add nuance and specificity. Instead of, I like to eat, try, I often enjoy eating spicy food. Instead of, the city is big, try, the city is surprisingly big for its population. Common adverb types to use. Manner, how something is done, quickly, carefully, happily. Time, when something happens, recently, now, always, never. Place, where something happens, here, there, everywhere. Degree, to what extent something happens, very, extremely, slightly. Avoid overusing adverbs. Too many adverbs can make your speech sound unnatural or repetitive. Use adverbs strategically to add impact. Example sentences. I was completely exhausted after the long flight. Degree. I usually go for a walk in the park every morning. Time, frequency. The food was incredibly delicious. Degree. I happily agreed to help my friend. Manner. Practice tips. Listen to native speakers. Pay attention to how they use adverbs in natural conversations. Read English texts. Notice the adverbs used in books and articles. Write sentences. Practice writing sentences using different adverbs. Record yourself. Listen back to your recordings and identify any opportunities to use adverbs more effectively.